equal sum tapos drop ko lang dito sa total ko. And separate the total amount of sales for week 1 as well as the units. And we did the same thing practically for all the weeks.
Ano yung
Alin?
yung masarap? Yung pinamarap?
Notes.
Oo, yung sige, dasan.
Alin?
Get that one.
Ito? Units sold. Kung ilang units ng product nila.
Bakit marap mo?
Alin sir?
Unit sold, bakit wala?
Data ko.
Ang sulit. Kalaki-lakihan mo.
Yan.
Okay.
Ayan.
So, wala siya.
Exam lang siya. And ayan yung formula. Sorry. And same goes for all the weeks. And now we move on with the monthly sales report. So, ito naman, medyo basic lang siya. Although, I'm not for the hyperlinks. Anyway,
I saw you manually clicking those operations below.
Eto, yeah. I thought I'd gone for it. Anyway, eto, you just have to go for the sum again and drag. And then for the average naman, same lang din. You type equals average and you have to drag, right shapes lang. And then this. And to have the total sales. And you have to go to the total sales and just sum this one out and we come up with this. And for the total sales for all units, we are replicated from the data. Excel data sheet. Same lang din, take some out lang din namin. And then for all the total sales, ma-average out lang din siya na tapos sa 70,377. Next, for our storage, ito naman, may ibang color lang dyan because we use a F command. Kung saan, the things included here, of course, are the beginning stock, stock in, which are the things that we have included during 30 days. And for the stock out, these are the things that we have sold. Ibig sabihin wala na sa inventory namin. And now, having this formula, we come up with the stock quantity. Ibig sabihin ito yung inventory na meron sa akin. And we just have to come up with the total value of stocks. That's why we have the total inventory value multiplied with the total cost per item. And now, how we have this in order autofill is that we use an if command wherein we use an if the quantity for stock quantity is lesser than the order level prescribed, which is 50, it would automatically become reordered.
Okay, in case they arrange this challenge your form, you try na mag-improve your technique.
Like I would like to.
Sige na. You make alteration para makita ko na igagalaw. Magbabago.
I'd make this 61. Okay. And then we also
Pag mas gumagana siya.
Okay, sir. And then,
Pag sinabi ko, ibig sabihin, tatama yung condition.
That's functional.
Anyway, also
We also use conditional formatting para magkaroon din siya ng color, which is just basically we just go for the data for height, rule, and then all the things you just type in the word and just format it. Automatically magdagawa siya. And then we go for the expense tracking. It's trying to make it look like an accounting sheet. So we go for the description. Wherein we have a prescribed budgeted amount as well as the actual expenses. Wherein they compare lang din naman siya in order to have if ever we have total excesses or shorts. So yun. Pero dito sa case, 200 lang. So let me try just fluctuate this right now.
Thank you, Lord.
Ano ba? Unfortunately, we would love to really present you the dashboard kasi hindi namin,
Let's go back to your dashboard. To your main dashboard.
this is the latest version that we've acquired from our
The old version.
Hindi kasi mayroon siya sa hindi siya share. Hindi namin siya magawa real time. So like, version yung mga taas. So, sa last sana na version yung dashboard, narito yung nakuha namin version.
Ano yan?
And then, I think,
Bakit
hindi siya naka-hyper.
Yeah.
Ano tingnan yun?
That's down to comment. Kasi
Para nasa-reflect siya sa dashboard.
in order for you to
Isang pati yung
however, wala siyang hyperlink. So, technically, parang it's the manual in ako siya. So, okay, let's go.
okay. Ito ba?
Romero, sila to be sa pala hindi naman pala. Then followed by
Hindi na
Well, they are
Ito yung reference. Maka-conclude siya this. Okay lang.
when you present, for example, nasa company kayo, and you
Color
present
lang
data or Excel like that, you need first to give a brief
Actually, oo. Bala ko din i-change.
about the background of your Excel. Just like what this, naka-ERP na ako, na-post ko na siya. Ako. Yeah, di ba I did it nung asynchronous class? Tama, di ba? So, let's make it.
Hindi, ano yung
Di ba, kasi discuss. So, after the discussion ng ERP, I just use Hindi pala, sorry. Oo nga, Tuesday pa lang yung Friday, hindi ko na face to face. Sorry. Kayo pala yung advance na malala. Kayo yung face to face. Tapos this next week, we will be conducting the passing purpose or synchronous right. Then the following week will be face to face again.
may ibang place na mayroon
Okay, next question.
Hello everyone, I am Jenny Barnetto, and this is the presentation of Group 4. Today we will present the Excel-based business system of Bills and Flour, a flour shop that uses Excel and its formula to monitor sales, manage inventory, and track expenses. So from the name itself, our shop aims to provide fresh, vibrant, and beautifully arranged flowers that brings joy and meaning to everything. So to give a brief overview, our Excel-based system for Bills and Flowers brings together all the essential aspects of running a flower shop into one organized platform. So the dashboard gives us a clear overview of our sales, profits, and best-selling flowers. The inventory sheet shows how we manage stock levels, track supplies, and ensures that our popular flowers is always available. The sales monitoring sheet highlights the daily and weekly performance, helping us to identify trends and top selling products. And finally,